morning to you too.
Happy Saturday.
It is St. Patrick's week. We have a surprise to show you, Jamesy. Is this the epitome of fashion? Or what? Yes, I am in fact out in public with this outfit on. We're starting our Saturday. Actually, it's a later start. We kind of had a chill morning and then had our friend Nicole stop by. But I'm going to the hardware store to pick up some anchors so we can finally start attaching furniture and hanging things in our apartment. Exciting! It does not get any better than just a standard True Value hardware store. Look at this. Love it. Mission success. Got a bunch of hangers or anchors for the plaster walls. And I did some added shopping that I didn't realize I'd get done. I got some keys made for the apartment. Got a drain stop for the kitchen because the kitchen sink didn't have a stopper. And some shelf liner. So that's an exciting day to start on Saturday. I will shave today, I promise, but I just figured I look like very like a rough and tough kid right now with this winter hat and a little bit of this like 4 o'clock shadow. Today is organizing and hanging some stuff. This is the first thing that's going up. I feel like Casey Next that the camera's on our Joby stick. It's going right there. Boom! First thing up. And then we're just organizing some securing of furniture like this armoire. Don't mind this 8 Mile sign. You know who you are. You know who you are. An awesome part about this old apartment with all its craziness is no wall perfect door frame. Anything is perfect because it's so old and been landlord special, but there's 1,000 layers of caked on plaster or patchwork or millions of layers of white paint. But it's a wonderful life.
So we found 2 miscellaneous kitchen boxes. I put the books there. What do you think? I do still want to have plants, but I don't think they take up too much space. And then I think we're gonna put some prints on this wall. The ones that, like the most recent ones that we purchased that have like the veggies and there's another one. What do you call those? Herbs? Yeah, I think we're gonna put those there. And I don't know if we showed this or not, but we did put our Route 66 magnets back up. You can see where the previous people had magnets. And so I thought that instead of just having nothing, then we can try and cover them up with ours. But it's nice for the fridge to have some life again. Plus these guys too. We got some curtains hang drying in here. It's really starting to, I mean, obviously there's still stuff everywhere, but just even the mobile being in place and just his stuff being in here feels good.
Yeah, like this is now good. Mm-hmm. The armoire is anchored to the wall. I had a heck of a time hanging this. I gotta wash the wall a little bit from scuffs, but there's actually a nice big old hole through the plaster down there that we're gonna have to fix. We've had plaster walls before, but this is like, some of these walls are like original walls where it's like this much plaster with like the wood straps in the back, and for some reason on one side I went through plaster and wood, and then when I went to go to the exact same spot, like level, like 18 inches over. It went through the really old dry plaster that was like 5/8 of an inch into nothing. Like the wood wasn't there.
Oh, weird.
And then so when I did that with the drill bit, it just like bursted through.
Oh gosh.
So there's like
We'll fix it up.
there's like a nickel-sized hole back there. I mean, you can't see it like because it's below this bottom shelf. But we still need to fix it. But
Yeah.
that
So
was
this is all situated.
a nuisance.
I just want to get that everything in its place, and then I'll feel super good.
And then like some of these things can just like the sheets are gonna go on the bed once we get everything off.
Right.
We're gonna hang a few more things.
This room is getting there. So, there was a surprise dyeing of the Chicago River this morning at like 5 a.m. And obviously that made sense, like, didn't draw a lot of crowds, all of that, but now we have to go see it, so.
They announced, Mayor Lightfoot said earlier this month that they were not gonna do it.
Right.
Because of crowd control.
Yes.
But then like, I think it was later than 5 because the sun was out.
Okay.
Because I saw pictures of the mayor with the union that does it every year. Dyeing it green.
Yeah, so
and there's no better way time to go see it than the first weekend.
Right, and so we are taking a deserved break in our day of productivity to go and see it. How can we miss it?
Exactly.
Jamesy boy, it's your first bus ride. We are sad. Both the Ghirardelli and the Hershey store are both closed. The chocolate corner of our dreams.
But that place does sound very interesting. Mozzarella store,
Yeah.
pizza and cafe.
So here is Chicago's Uniqlo. That's the first Uniqlo I've actually ever saw. It's across the street from Water Place. We gotta go up there. Oh my goodness.
That's a green river, that's for sure. I think we have to get some green river today. We've succeeded in enjoying the river.
Yes. And so now we are going to get some dinner at Native Foods. Our dear friends Brooke and Mark sent us a little gift card. There's one right by our apartment, but there's also one right where Peter and Brooke met at the JW Marriott. So we're gonna go to the one by the JW.
So I'm gonna take the subway back. I'm gonna try to find another one, but there's all these stickers on all these light posts that say pigeons aren't real, they're like government robots. Surveillancing us, and it's so funny. Yeah. Oh wait, the Primark's open. Wait, that's what we said. We might go back and check out the Primark and the Block 37
Deals.
Disney store because it's closing sadly, but that means there's deals.
Look at this baby. Hello.
Here we go, the Clark Adams building. Oh yeah. We're right by where I used to work at the JW Marriott Chicago.
This is all plant-based.
Look at that gastropub burger. Ooh. Ooh.
I don't know how we order.
This looks good. This looks... The new meatball sub made with plants, cauliflower chickpea shawarma.
Podrick is playing as our food arrives. What could be better?
Almost like a YOLO. Just a homemade oatmeal cream pie.
Yeah. So these are watermelon agua frescas, and they're chunky, but so good. So I got tortilla soup, and then my sandwich is like a vegan pastrami sandwich.
Carolina Gold.
Yum. Oh my gosh, look at all that deliciousness.
We got french fries and a poppin' jalapeno burger.
Ooh. And if you were wondering where our baby is, he's asleep. He had his own little dinner. Just zonked out.
better expect it that quick. How delicious is the oatmeal cream pie? 10 out of 10? You're looking like Phil.
Come on. We have not walked this in so long. We're at the Jackson Red Line stop. Oh gosh. He's like singing himself to sleep. So we're not going to make any stops because we do have to go to Target tonight. We still want to be productive. So we're just going to head home. Dinner was good. The thing that took the cake though was that oatmeal cream pie.
Yeah.
So yummy. So this was not here when we lived here before.
It was being built.
Game changer. Wow. Quite the different sports sections.
But I think we couldn't live in just like a basic area of the world. Like there's always going to be like your Target has to have like a niche area.
Yeah.
Got to be like Chicago sports.
Yeah.
Or like
Well, because
Philly
like we're
sports.
right by Wrigley.
So 2 major updates. 1, Monster
Taste test.
taste test.
These are juice monsters.
Yeah. Number 2, we share our Disney Plus with some family members. And said family members just FaceTime us to let us know that they purchased the premiere access of Raya and the Last Dragon. And if Eve jumps off that thing one more time, she's getting grounded.
So we didn't give an update for her today. She woke up, she wasn't limping, she's not, like, I would say she's catering to it a little bit, but nothing worrisome anymore. But we're still keeping an eye on it. But we did not take her to the vet. Anywho, she keeps on, like, jumping on the couch, doing all her normal stuff. But we're going to try these 2 monsters. How do you say that?
Papillon. Papillopoulos. Papillon.
Tastes a little bit orangier than the mango one that I love. Do you want to try it? And then I'll try the next one.
Yeah, what's this one called though?
Okay. Oh, wait. Chaotic with a K.
No, I want to be the first one to try that one. Okay.
It's 'cause I can spell confusion with a K and I can like it.
Oh, I really hope you keep that in, but I just know you're going to cut that.
Maybe I will.
I want to try it because my middle name is Chaos.
Your middle name is Brian.
Your middle name is Ryan.
You guys got rhyming Ryan Brian.
Cheers, forehead. Bonk.
Ooh, is it cold? He wants it.
Raising them right.
Raise a glass to freedom.
Tastes like
It's got some zing to
tastes
it.
like you get that public pool when you're 11 years old in the summertime with your friends on summer vacation. Not seriously, I tried. I think it's like liquid Smarties. Do you like it? You can have that whole thing.
This tastes like the Monster slushie that 7-Eleven had.
That also
Right?
tastes like Smarties.
Yeah. I thought.
And that was orange too.
Yeah.
They probably just literally just added some carbonation to that Slurpee mix.
Yeah.
Get a more original thing, Monster.
Hey, they do what they do.
In the words of Cogsworth, if it ain't Baroque.
Don't fix it.
I'm just so happy and angry right now. And she knows why. He's so happy.
I feel like I'm so tall that he might hit his head on the ceiling.
He's not, but how come I didn't do this?
Baby on my shoulders, he's pulling on my hair.
He's also drawing like crazy in your hair. He's a scalp
It's called a
massage.
moisturizer.
One eternity later.
Well, looky here.
I'm exhausted.
Exhausted. The baby's in his crib. Guys, we're officially taking out his 0 to 3 clothes and transitioning.
You're a big kid now.
Yeah. What do we think of this curtain situation? We want it pulled so that it's not by the radiator because we're paranoid. I think once it falls and gets like a little bit less clunky and we straighten out the blind, I'll feel better about it. I think I dig it though.
Yeah, I like it.
And look at what's up. So this room today was like a storage unit.
Yeah, it was.
So this feels awesome. Still got some stuff that has to go in the closet, but.
Show them your bookshelf work.
Dun dun dun. So cute.
Sarah didn't show you this probably because it's not in a suitable state to show.
It is too.
But we have secured it to the wall. So we measured everything out with the measurements we knew. So like we know this is gonna stay here and we know where everything else is gonna go. So we reduced down.
Guys, we're so close.
We're so close. We reduced down. We emptied out 4 bins between the books. We started like getting the frames out to kind of lay them out in somewhat of an order because we're switching that up. And this should be, do you check on this? This is supposed to be coming in a couple of weeks, right? Or a week or two?
By the 7th, but like as early as this week.
Oh, great. So we have like a special cool curtain rod that's coming. It's going to go across and it's going to be all one rod that goes across all 4 of these windows.
Yeah.
So getting there.
Getting there. Need to get chair out, tent in.
We've tried to sell this. Sarah's tried to go into like join some group to give it out for free. I'm about this close to just throwing it away. What's it called? It's a really nice quality chair.
Bernhardt?
It's like, when I looked up, it's like a very expensive chair that we got in.
Like almost $2,000.
Right, and we got it years ago for $50 at a block
Garage
sale.
sale. Yeah. Oh yeah, because it's a whole block. It'd be nice if we could get some money for it to like put towards other pieces of furniture we have to buy.
It
But
must
like,
just be nice to know it's going to someone who's going to use it.
yeah, if you're in the Chicago area
And you can get back to us very soon because I want this thing out, even though
and you want
I need it out because if the longer it stays, the longer I'm going to convince us just to keep it.
Yeah. Yeah. So seriously,
And
if you are
at the
Chicagoan,
moment, I'm like, fine, let's get rid of it.
we can figure out like a drop off or something.
No, you have to pick up a pickup. We don't have a car for it to go in.
We'll use Grants.
Okay. It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
Wait. We have to do a daily message, and look what finally is hung up again. Today is the 13th, Saturday. Ooh, it's by Anonymous. Put your phones away, they're gonna hack you. Every day is an opportunity to make a new happy ending. It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.